Ano ang top 10 videos na dapat panoorin ng mga teachers na GSIS members at Pag-ibig members? Good question po, sir. Sige po, may good answer tayo sa question na ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una po, shout out to my friend, Sir Richard Tugonon, and his co-teachers sa Kamansi National High School, Toril, Davao City. And of course, yung school head nila na si Sir Juan P. Ortega. Good day to all of you, sirs and ma'am. And shout out din sa mga teachers na nanood sa bidyong ito from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ito na po yung top 10 videos na dapat panoorin ninyo. May top 5 video tayo sa GSIS at top 5 video sa Pag-ibig. Ano po ito? Ito na po. Ayan. Number 1 na top 5 GSIS videos to watch is 7 social insurance benefits ni GSIS. Number 2, 6 benefits ng mga GSIS disability pensioners. Number 3, GSIS separation benefits for government employees. Number 4, GSIS educational subsidy. And number 5, GSIS retirement benefits or options. Ano ang piliin mo? Option 1 or option 2? Top 5 Pag-ibig videos to watch also. Number 1, Pag-ibig MPL. Ilang days ang loan processing and loan approval? Number 2, Pag-ibig Fund regular savings. When ma-withdraw ng Pag-ibig member? Number 3, Pag-ibig housing loan. How much ang loan approval? Number 4, 5 reasons why Pag-ibig MP2 savings program is a good investment. And number 5, paano makuha ang overpayment ng salary loan o MPL. Actually, marami na tayong videos na nagawa no, for government employees. 745 videos na po as of today, November 26, 2024. Gagawa pa tayo ng more videos po. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.